Agnico-Eagle Finland is investing into future operations at its Kittilä Gold Mine. Rockplan is proud to take overall design responsibility for the new service level that will be at the heart of future mining activities. As one important part of the task, Rockplan's experts analyze core samples to determine geological conditions and create and analyze 3D rock mechanical models to identify stress distributions within the work zone, using the results to position new spaces. Kittilä Gold Mine service level shows Rockplan's art of design.